Music is my inspiration, a journey through memories, joy, sorrow, and passion. It's not just sound, it's a part of who I am. Each melody a chapter written in sound. In its harmony, my soul's playground. Through the highs and lows, it speaks to me. In the notes, my hidden thoughts roam free. This is the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Priced at $199, this is definitely a premium product, especially comparing it to the TikTok viral earbuds, which I did buy it. But the problem is, even though with its very low price, it didn't sound very good, so I just ended up not bringing it with me. But for the NeoBuds Pro 2, if I don't leave without it, I'll be super disappointed because the sound quality is really next level. At times, I do dabble into classical music, and with these earbuds, I feel like I'm transported into the theater alone with the symphony playing just for me at the perfect spot for the acoustics. It's really not just listening to music, it's experiencing it. And then while writing this part of the script with my earbuds in, I actually forgot my foot on the stove and was alerted by the burnt smell. Yeah. One thing I've noticed with most earbuds is this reoccurring challenge with the bass. And even when some earbuds emptied up, it overpowered the mids and treble, often making it mixed or very one-dimensional. But here's where the NeoBuds Pro 2 shines. The bass is robust without being overwhelming, allowing the mids and treble to hold their own. It's like they have fine-tuned everything to hit the right note. No muddiness, just clear, balanced audio that makes every genre of music pleasant to listen to. To really utilize these earbuds fully, you need the Edifier's app. One feature is their 5-band EQ, and it allows you to choose your frequencies to adjust to get the sound just right for you. There are also two presets, Classic, which is more level, and Dynamic. If you're looking for a more punchy sound, this is the preset to go. The default is Classic, but I do recommend to put it to Dynamic because it really amps up your music. Now let's talk about noise cancellation. The NeoBuds Pro 2 boosts ENC and ANC that can dial up to 50 decibels. That's on par with big brands like Galaxy Bud Pro or the Beats Fit Pro, at a fraction of the cost, about 10 to 30% cheaper. The ANC comes with 3 settings, low, medium, and high, giving you more options than the original NeoBuds Pro 1, which only has 2. Even ambient mode settings have its own nuance. This time with 3 subsettings: balance, background sounds, and voice enhancer, which really brings out the clarity in people's voices. In terms of how good the ANC is, personally, I feel like you're in your own world when you listen to music. It's so effective. The only ANC that can really surpass these earbuds is the Bose Ultra earbuds and Dyson headphones. But those come with a hefty price at $370 and $700 respectively. And remember, Dyson is a headphones, so unfair. Now let's dive into some cool features of the app. You have music mode, which is basically normal mode, gaming mode, I'll get to that later, and spatial mode. Basically, it calibrates the 2 earpieces, so when you move your head, it can detect that you're moving your head. The sound is coming from the front and you can hear it Apple announced it like 3 years ago and I really didn't understand it. I just felt like it's more of a gimmick. Unless you're really watching movies that have like really 8D sound or playing games where shots are coming from all directions and knowing which direction it comes is advantageous, I don't see the point of it. So let's talk about gaming mode. Funny story, I accidentally bought the Pro 1 thinking it's a Pro 2. And I tested the gaming capabilities, basically latency, and I thought it was crap. The sound was delayed like 0.2 to 0.4 seconds, which is so bad. Playing Mobile Legends with this Pro 1, not the best, really. I play 1-1, she has like a fireball. Only when the fireball ends, I hear the sound. The NeoBuds Pro 2, however, is a big improvement. There is still a little bit of delay, but it's to the point when you're so engrossed in the game, you don't really notice it. You have to really pick it up to realize, oh, it's not very sync. So if you're a gamer, something to look out for. Controlling the NeoBuds Pro 2 without the app, it's actually pretty good. I'm not a big fan of touching the earpiece, but this earpiece was surprisingly responsive compared to actually the Pro one. You have 4 main gestures, double tapping the left or right and triple tapping the left or right. And the cool part is it's all customizable. You can turn up the volume, you can play, pause, you can change ANC to ambient, and you can even activate voice assistance, in my case, because I have an Apple, Siri. But it's not just about control. These earbuds are smart enough to detect if you have your earbuds in your ear or not in your ear. So when it's in the ear, it automatically plays the music. When you take out, it automatically stops the music. And you have the type, like me, that misplace your earbuds and gadgets. The app has a Find My Earbuds. Cool. Now let's talk about battery life. With ANC on, you're looking at 4 hours of playtime with an extra 12 hours with the charging case. Turn off the ANC and you go up to 5.5 hours of playtime and 16.5 hours with the charging case. To put this in perspective, I've been using this for a week since I charged it fully for the review, using it about 2 hours every day. I've not needed to charge it since. Red doesn't mean it's not charged. You can actually customize the light. Charging the case takes about an hour, and charging the earpiece with the case also takes an hour. One more thing new with the Pro 2 compared to Pro 1 is the IP rating 54. That means it's pretty robust against dust and splashes of water. It's not waterproof, but it's definitely a step up, and it will, in theory, last longer than the Pro 1. In conclusion, the Edifier NeoBuds 2 priced at $199 and sometimes even cheaper because of promos, 12/12 deals and stuff like that. Maybe you watch it after 12/12, so 1/1, Christmas. I don't know, now these days got so many offers everywhere. But even at the $199 price point, this offers a remarkable value in the premium earbuds market. From their sound quality to their customized ANC options to gaming mode and their 5-band EQ. And not to mention, the build quality is actually pretty good. It has a matte finishing at the side so you don't see the fingerprints on your earpiece. Case-wise, also matte finishing so you don't see those fingerprints on it. So what I think really stands out from these earbuds is its high performance at a mid price point. This makes it an excellent option if you're looking for top quality earbuds without a hefty price. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first time doing earbuds. I actually have a lot of earbuds here. Look at that. This is my first time doing earbuds feature, and I know I never went into like what drivers there are, what codec they use, because I feel like y'all just want to see whether it works. But if y'all want to know more in-depth specification details, let me know in the comment section. Hope you enjoy, and I am done.